Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the Infinix Note 50. And guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Infinix, and this phone is costing around 65,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage. We have a grayish box. On the front it says we have 5200 mAh battery size with a 45 watt super fast charging as well as a 30 watt wireless charging support, but we don't get any 30 watt Mac wireless charger out of the box. But it says we have 144 Hz 6.7 inch AMOLED display in this fingerprint scanner. We also have metal frame armor alloy. We have 50 megapixel OIS main camera. We also have MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate SoC. We also have dual speakers with heavy bass. We also have 13 megapixel selfie camera, Android 15 right at the box with NFC support as well. So the color I have is the mountain shade color. This one is also manufactured in Pakistan. So very interesting to see what is Infinix has you offer in this price range. So now let's remove the plastic first with my knife. And now let's see that how is the Helio G100 Ultimate. This kind of looks like inside the Infinix Note 50. It is smooth or not because we have 144 Hz refresh rate display. So when you open the box, first thing we have Infinix Note 50 in the mountain shade color. So as you can see here is the aka green color looks like. We have aluminium frame which feels really cold in the hand. The back is made up of plastic looks like, or it is made up of glass, I'm not sure about that. We have 50 megapixel OIS main camera, 50 megapixel OIS main camera with a 2 megapixel macro as well as AI lens. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. So here's our silicone case. As you can see, it is a soft silicone case with a magnetic ring on the back. So here's our warranty card, and here's our VIP card for Infinix Note 50, so you can avail some discounts. We also have 45 watt super fast charger right out of the box. So here's our USB Type-C to USB-A cable, so no hand-free inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side. Let's quickly look at the Infinix Note 50 in the mountain shade color. So guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone as well as our SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on the Infinix Note 50. So you can see we don't have any micro SD card support. Instead we have 2 nano SIM support. So on the left hand side we have antenna bands. So on the top we have another speaker, another microphone with IR blaster, volume up and volume down rocker with a power on a button. It is on the right hand side. So we have 50 megapixel OIS main camera, and the camera layout it is completely changed from the last year Infinix Note 50. Now we have more square camera layout on the back. So on the front we have 144 Hz 6.7 inch AMOLED display with the center punch hole, and the bezels it is extremely thin on the Infinix Note 50. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, this is the first boot of the Infinix Note 50. And here is the XOS, new XOS looks like. This one is running on latest Android 15, and the notification panel it is also really similar to iOS. So here is the max brightness this looks like, and the display it looks really bright, especially in this lighting condition. So about phone, and this one is running on latest Android 15. We have XOS version 15. We also have 256 GB of internal storage out of 22.05 GB. It is available for you guys. 5200 mAh battery size, and still this phone feels really light in the hand. Even with the aluminium frame, everything feels really good in the hand. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner, you can see not the fastest. As you can see, it takes a lot of time. I don't know why. As you can see, let's look at the camera. We also have 2 megapixel macro. So it's the video mode. We also have ultra steady mode. So the back camera maximum shoot only 1440p at 30 fps. Here is the bokeh mode with the back camera, and here is the vlog mode, and here is the portrait mode, and here is the super night mode. So in the mode section we also have slow motion, we also have pro mode, we also have dual view video mode, we also have super macro mode. So all those things it is available on the Canon 40 Pro. So let's look at the front facing camera. So this one has a 13 megapixel and the selfie camera, it is really weak on the Infinix Note 50. So here's the portrait mode and here's the video mode. We also have a 1440p at 30 fps support, and the bokeh mode also available, even the ultra steady mode also available. And here is the night mode, and the slow motion, it is not available with the front facing camera. So overall I have to say regarding the cameras, we don't have any 8 megapixel ultra wide on the Note 50, which is available on the Camon 40 Pro. Also the front facing camera, it is only at 13 megapixel, although Camon 40 Pro in this same price range we have 50 megapixel selfie camera. Also the fingerprint scanner, it is not the fastest, I don't know why. Also the Helio G100 Ultimate is not give you a insane performance over the previous Helio G100. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Note 50. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.